So hey guys, here we are going to actually install the premium version of Spotify on your PC, and we are going to do it with the help of Spicetify. So in this, you have to actually download. If you already have Spotify, uninstall it and download it from the website of Spotify, not your Microsoft Office. Because if you do that, this won't work, as the directory are different for Microsoft and when you install it yourself as a program. So once you have downloaded it, and you'll have the link in the description, direct link to it in the description, and once you have downloaded and installed it, you just have to log in into it, and after doing the login, just follow onto the screen where I install the Spicetify. Here you copy the link and paste it into the PowerShell, but make sure not to do it as administrator, as it won't let you install the marketplace and keep on showing an error. So just follow along, paste one link and you'll have everything. So as you can see right now, the Spicetify is being installed, and now you have to select whether you would like to have the marketplace or not. And it's necessary, as marketplace will allow you to get the add-on you need to install your no ads. Like there is a extension which is called as no ads, which will enable you to not have ads in your Spotify stream, which technically makes it premium. And you can also add more add-ons which will enable you to have volume slider, which with percentage you can put in themes. It gives your Spotify with loads of customization. So as you can see, there is a marketplace, and we go into the marketplace. Once we are into the marketplace, we'll let it load. Yeah, when it's for the first time, you'll see it will take a while to load, and as you'll follow into the video, you'll have the add-on. Like I'll go ad block. Yeah, there is an ad block. There are different types of extensions, different types of themes, snippets, app, everything. So here I'm going to use the add away, which I'll just click and install, and it's straightforward. You don't have to do anything, and later I'll install the themes and everything. So if you like these kind of video, I hope you subscribe my channel and forward this video to people to whom it could be helpful. Thank you for watching, and just carry on with the video as I show. You'll be having different tools and themes, and you can also go through it on your own. It will enable you to have much more customization than what our initial Spotify was. Thank you for watching.